Dear students, how are you all? I hope everyone fine. Okay, so we'll continue with the second order derivative problem. See, the one problem which we solved in the last video, it's very important as I told. So it's a continuation of that. So maybe I told 7 problems. So today I'm going to take 4 problems. Okay, out of this, remember 100% one sure question for 5 marks. Remember that. Maybe question number 42 in question paper. For question number 42 will be one of the 7 problems. So in which the second question, okay, of important list, y is equal to a e power mx plus b e power nx. A, b, m, n all are constant. Remember that a, b, m, n are constants. So start with y1. Y1 and know what do you mean by y1? I gave in the last video what do you mean by y1? Y1 is nothing but first order derivative. So then here differentiation ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ a constant, e power x differentiation e power x. So e power mx differentiation e power mx, but it is a composite function, so you have to differentiate mx. Mx differentiation ಬರುತ್ತೆ m. Very good. Plus ಅದೇ ತರ b e power nx into n. So this is y1. So what next? y2. y2 ali first collect all the constant. What are the constant? am is a constant. Then you know what is the differentiation of e power mx, that is e power mx into m. Same bn e power nx into n. Seriya? Very good. So y1 y2 ಆಯ್ತು. You can write here one term, one rearrangement like this. Okay, now this is ready to use for the required expression. This is the one, the second one, and third one already. Okay, I wrote y. So what is asked? You have to prove y2 minus m plus n into y1 plus m and y equal to 0. So we have to prove this expression is equal to 0. You know y1, you know y2, you know y. So how to get 0? Substitute here. Substitute first y2. What is y2? A m square e power mx plus b n square e power nx. Correct? Minus m plus n into what is y1? A e power mx, right, into m plus b n e power nx plus m and y. Why you know? A e power mx plus b e power nx. So you have to prove this is equal to 0. So to prove all the 2 equal to 0, all the terms get cancelled. So multiply a m square e power mx. First 2 term alli eno simplification illa, so let it be as it is. Minus this into this, so ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ a m square e power mx, correct? Next m into this minus b m n e power nx. Okay, next these two. Third this minus a m n e power mx. Next this into this minus b n square e power nx. So this multiplication is over. Last is very simple. A m n e power mx plus only b m n e power nx. Now observe carefully, all the terms get cancelled. See, ಇದು minus term ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ? Here. ಇದರ minus term ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ? Here. ಇದರ plus term ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಇದರ minus plus term ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ. So all the terms get cancelled. So remaining is 0, and it is nothing but RHS. Observe, we started with LHS and we got RHS. So that means problem is over, the proof is over. So I hope you understood. I'll not repeat. Remember, all the remaining questions are important. One of that question definitely you will get in exam. I hope you understood. Yes, fine. Next proof. What is the question? Y is equal to sine inverse of x. Y is equal to sine inverse of x. So first you have to get dy by dx. This differentiation tumba easy. What is the differentiation of sine inverse of x? 1 by root of 1 minus x square. Right? No, 1 mark confirm. Remember that. Now don't differentiate again immediately. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸಲ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಿ, ಬಟ್ ಯು ಮೇ ನಾಟ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಈಸಿಲಿ ದಿಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಐ ಸಜೆಸ್ಟ್ ಯುವರ್ ಒನ್ ಟ್ರಿಕ್. You write this 1 minus x square in the left hand side in numerator, because it will move to numerator. Right hand side let it be 1. Correct? ಇನ್ನೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಇದನ್ನು ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು by considering this as a u, this as v. Consider this as a u, this is v. How to differentiate this? Using product rule. So what is the product rule? ನೆನಪಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ರೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ 1 ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ dy by dx ಏನು d square y by dx square ಪ್ಲಸ್ dy by dx. ಹಾ ಈಗ ಹೇಳಿ ಇದನ್ನ ಹೇಗೆ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ರೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ 1 ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಯಾವ ರೂಲ್ ಬೇಕು ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಚೈನ್ ರೂಲ್ ಏನಿಲ್ಲಿ 1 by 2 times root of 1 minus x square into differentiation of 1 minus x square ಏನಾಗತ್ತಾಗ minus 2x ನೆನಪಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಇಸ್ 0 ಯಾಕೆ ರೈಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡ್ 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ differentiation of constant is 0. Now observe this carefully, this 2 and 2 cancel, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಬೇಕಿರೋದು 1 minus x square ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ ರೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ 1 minus x square ರೂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ 1 minus x square ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರೂಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಹೇಗೆ ತೆಗಿತೀರಿ ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಸೇಮ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ to both sides. It's squaring on both sides is not possible ನೆನಪಿರಲಿ. So to get the required answer only one step is remaining, that is multiply root of 1 minus x square to both sides. ಈಗ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ರೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ 1 minus x square into root of 1 minus x square. What is the answer you are getting? 1 minus x square. Correct? Yes. Next. Plus and minus. So I can write directly minus. So since you multiply root of 1 minus x square, it will get cancelled with this. So what is remaining? Minus x into dy by dx equal to 0. Now observe the required expression in the question. What is the required expression? 1 minus x square d square y by dx square ಇದೆ minus ಇದೆ x ಇದೆ dy by dx ಇದೆ equal to 0 ಇದೆ. So done. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? See 1 2 3 4 steps ಗೆ 5 marks. Remember this is a 4 step problem, but you will get this question for 5 marks. This question is also asked in the final exam. ನೆನಪಿರಲಿ only for 4 steps you will get 5 marks. So you should not leave this section because important as well as easy, and it is more important because easy. Remember that because of easy, so it is very important, so remember that. Okay, so if y is equal to sin inverse of x, I hope you understood. Next question, if y is equal to tan inverse of x whole square, then show that x square plus 1 into y2 2x into 1 plus x square into y1 equal to 2. This is very important in the out of this 7 problem because so many times, maybe more than 3 times this question is asked in final exam. This one in the previous module last problem, both are very important because more number of times asked in final exam. And again this problem can be solved within 4 steps. 4 steps ಅಲ್ಲಿ 5 mark question ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ನೆನಪಿರಲಿ. Okay, very important. So y is equal to tan inverse of x whole square. First ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು y1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು differentiation of y with respect to x. ಇದನ್ನ ಹೇಗೆ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ಯಾವ ರೂಲ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಹೇಳಿ tan inverse of x whole square. Which rule you should use first? Exactly chain rule ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು x square ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಏನು 2x x ಬದಲು ಏನಿದೆ tan inverse of x. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ into outside function ಆಯ್ತು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ inside function, how to differentiate here? Inside function, what is the inside function? Tan inverse of x ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಏನು 1 by 1 plus x square. ಇದನ್ನ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಬಹುದು, ಬಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇಸ್ ಯು ಮೇ ನಾಟ್ ಗೆಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಈಸಿಲಿ. ಸೊ ದ ಬೆಟರ್ ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಇಸ್ ಟೇಕ್ 1 plus x square to left hand side. You will get like this. ಸರಿಯಾ 1 plus x square into y1 equal to 2 tan inverse of x. Now this is ready to differentiate again. So you differentiate with respect to x. So differentiation ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು product rule because it is a product of two function. So ನೆನಪಿರಲಿ you should use a product rule. U into differentiation of y1 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ y2. good. y1 into differentiation of 1 plus x square ಏನು yes super 2x equal to 2 tan inverse of x differentiation. 2 will be constant. Tan inverse of differentiation ಏನು 1 by 1 plus x square. Finish. One step. That's easy because you know which answer you should get. Observe carefully. You can identify exactly what you should do. See, this is actually square here. X square plus 1 whole square. ಇಲ್ಲಿ only 1 plus x square ಇದೆ. So what we should do? Multiply 1 plus x square to both sides. So ಆಗೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 1 plus x square whole square into y2. ಇಲ್ಲಿ cancel ಆಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ. So the term will come as it is equal to 2. Because 1 plus x square cancel. Now observe carefully what is asked. 1 plus x square whole square y2 ಇದೆ 2x into 1 plus x square y1 ಇದೆ equal to 2 ಇದೆ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? This is very important question. ನೆನಪಿರಲಿ important. So many times asked in the final exam only. ಸರಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ? All these problems are very important. Remember that. The next question y is equal e power y into x plus 1 is equal to 1. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ different ಇದೆ last problem compare ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, okay, little different because here it is not given y is equal to something, okay, it is an implicit function but simple, don't worry, it is also very simple work, okay, you will understand immediately. Observe carefully. So take the function. What is the function? E power y into x plus 1 is equal to 1. E power y into x plus 1 is equal to 1. Differentiate directly. Differentiate with respect to x. Okay, directly differentiation made because it is an implicit function. Differentiate with respect to x. ಇದನ್ನ ಹೇಗೆ differentiation ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ? Yeah, it's the product of two function alva. Since it is a product of two function, you should use product rule. So e power y into differentiation of x plus 1 ಏನು 1. Very good. X plus 1 into differentiation of e power y ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? E power y, and don't forget to write dy by dx because it is a function in terms of y, ನೆನಪಿಲ್ಲಿ, and you're differentiating with respect to x, as well as right hand side is equal to 0. Why 0 right hand side? Because you are differentiating 1 and 1 is a constant. Super. Okay, next, x plus 1 into e power y into dy by dx is equal to minus e power y. So again agate e power y cancel. So therefore dy by dx is equal to minus 1 by x plus 1. So one stage complete. You know, dy by dx bantu. Namge in beku namge d square y by dx square. So directly you can differentiate d square y by dx square. ಹೇಗೆ differentiation ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? Quotient rule use ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, direct ಆಗಿ differentiation ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. Let it be a quotient rule for you. X plus 1 whole square. B next x plus 1 into differentiation of minus 1 ಏನು 0 minus 1 into differentiation of x plus 1 ಏನು 1. Correct? So what is remaining? 1 by x plus 1 whole square. See, ನಮ್ಗೆ ಬೇಕಾದದ್ದು ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. Did you observe that? You didn't get what is required. Is it? No, you got what is required. But you should do some rearrangement. You should observe it properly. Yeah, left hand side ready there. D square y by dx square ಇದೆ. Right hand side 1 by x plus 1 whole square ಇದೆ, right? But ನಮ್ಗೆ ಇದು ಬರಬೇಕು. D square y by dx square, you have to prove that dy by dx whole square. How to complete this? Done. 99.99% is over. One step is remaining. See, that can be completed like this. This expression is also equal to minus 1 by 1 plus x whole square. Can I write like this? Minus 1 square is 1 square. Finish. But what is this actually? It is nothing but dy by dx. So I can write here dy by dx whole square. What is left hand side? D square y by dx square. So we proved d square y by dx square is equal to square of dy by dx only for this particular problem. And really, don't generalize this. This is not true always. It is only true for this particular problem. Don't think that always second order derivative is square of the first order derivative. It is not that. Please remember that. It is only true for this particular problem. Still two problems left in this list. So that I will discuss in the next video. Thank you.